uh, brake pads for Norden 901 Expedition version, but I think it's the same. This is the front, this is the rear, by the way, same as the other Husqvarna, probably same gas as the gaskets as well. I went with Tusk. Let's see what they're worth. Actually, my brakes are in good shape, but I was thinking maybe it's a good opportunity to change it. Alright, so first thing first, you need to take those pins out. I think I took one out and I can't find it now. Guess I'll have to find it in a minute. But we're pulling those little closer pins. Where is the second one? No, it's a funky one. We'll have to find it. And we're gonna open. Alright. Alright. Now, the orientation, there's like a little spring here that the spring sit on the bottom. That's, I guess, the first one we put in. So let's start with the top. We're just gonna pull that little thing out and then put the one on the bottom. And then this is the orientation. The belly is inside and little wiener on the bottom. Alright, and then the brake pads should come out pretty nicely. Ready to replace. Alright, now after it's out, I usually like to take like something thick, you know, to push the little pistons back in, so it'll be easier to come in. So just apply a little, you know, little pressure on them, nothing too crazy on both sides, just to get them out of the way. And then you can take a new one. I guess it doesn't matter, the it's pretty tight already. You want them aligned nice. And then the other side. Now what I like to do first is I like to fit the pin so it all like sit straight. Then take this in the same orientation. Slowly move this little guy out. This one needs to go through that little hole in. That's the one. And then the second, just gonna pull this out, push it. Needs to go behind that little metal piece there. There you go. Now as it sits, we're gonna close it. I don't put like a lot of crazy tension on it. I'm just closing it. When it showed me some tension, I'll just make sure it has fair thing. And then pins back in. I'll find the second one and we're done. Alright, let's do the rear. Same situation here. Gonna pull that cute little pin out. Just don't remember where it is. Beautiful. Gently pull this thing out. You can leave it like this. This is one. And this is two. Now I'm gonna open that bad boy. That needs to stay with the one that goes to that side, so you want to keep it together. Again, this time we have piston only on one side, so we want to push it back in. Come on, go back in. Oh, she's a stubborn one. There you go. That should be okay. And we're going to start the one on the outside. We need to make sure it is sitting inside. There's a little bracket in there. It's a little hard to see. There you go. And then it needs to, there you go. Now you see it sitting inside that slot. This is good. Now for the second one, same orientation with the pin. I kind of want to hold this guy so it's not going to fall on me. We can see here it's sitting also inside a slot. We can push them together. Make sure it's going the other side. And basically give it a small little snug. Get this bad boy in. Awesome. Now it's gonna run free. We need to pump the brake a few times, get the pistons back. There you go. There you go. Beautiful.